Albums are a great way to organize photos and use your big clock as a digital photo frame. To create albums, click on the plus action button and then manage albums. So if you have no albums, you'll be able to create your first album. Just click this button up here, create album, and then give your album name. So I'm going to call this one Kids Play. Okay. So when you create it, you'll have an empty album with its default icon here. And you'll see it says here 0 pictures. So you can just click on the album, and then you can add photos to it. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to add some photos to the album. And you'll see that they immediately start showing like a photo frame. The logic also is that every 3 or 4 pictures, it will go back to the day clock automatically and show the clock for a few seconds so that the clock and time are always visible. Also, if there is a scheduled reminder or instant message that is set to show while an album is showing, the album will stop showing during that time. So these pictures are kind of like background pictures that are there when there's nothing else to show. So what's nice about these also is you can set them on a schedule. So let's say you want to show, by default, they'll show for an hour. You can have them show all day, and you can repeat those every day, so that every day these pictures will show. Now you may also want to separate and have, for example, the kids playing showing on Mondays. So we can say Monday. And we can then create another album of maybe nature pictures and show those on Tuesday and Wednesday. So you can mix and match albums and create individual schedules for each one. You can pause an album if you want, as I said, and really you can use the same scheduling features as scheduled reminders. You also add captions to albums. So over here, if I want to add a little caption to say tower. So the next time this image shows, it should show with that caption. Give it a few seconds, see if that comes up. There we go. Kids building a tower. So you can add captions for all of them. Okay, so now we have captions for those. Now, you may decide, you know what, I don't want this picture here anymore, so you can easily remove one or more photos just by clicking on it and long press. So here we go, one, another one. Up here, this changes to remove that photos. So we've now removed those 2 photos, and we only have 1 in this album. Now I'm going to go ahead and create another album and call it nature, like I said. Okay, and I can go ahead and add additional photos now for my nature album and set that on a separate schedule.